what's going on, guys? This video is for everyone who bought the corporate citizen course a few years ago. I emailed it out, and I got an email this morning from someone who just received the email. I sent that email weeks ago, so this will be the better way to communicate with you guys. If you bought the corporate citizen course or you were part of B School for Hustlers in any capacity, and if you can prove it, if you have an email or course study, just go ahead and email it to me down below at shane@macdaddymediahouse.com. And what I'll do is send you an invoice, and then I'll add you to the course. I don't know what's going on with email, but I literally sent this out weeks ago, and I'm like, okay. So once again, just to be clear, if you signed up for the corporate citizen program, you will get a special deal right now. This deal is not going to go on forever. I'm going to give it maybe probably, today is Monday and people see videos. I'm going to give it to the end of the week. However, you want to go ahead and get in as soon as possible, and this is why. You got work to do. Yesterday, I had the first live webinar, and there was a lot of questions. Like, let's talk about YouTube. YouTube can be a big part of whatever business you started. I don't care if you do real estate. I don't care if you have a dumpster diving. YouTube can be a very important business. So one of the things I'm gonna do is some YouTube training. Like right now, you go ahead and like start a YouTube channel and people will tell you, just film it now on your phone. No. You need a computer, you need a camera, you need the right lenses, you need microphones, you need lights, and I'll put that together and I'll do it like, I think you could do it as cheap as $1,000 of buying used stuff on eBay, but preferably I'm gonna give you what I think would be really good for you. And it's not gonna be, like this whole cheap. All right, let me say this. This is Hustlers Kung Fu. We get the money to do what we want to live. You guys saw me buy a brand new Porsche 911 Twin Turbo S. You saw that. That wasn't cheap. I elevated and put myself in the position to get what I wanted. So one of the things we're going to do is we're going to get the stuff we need to do to make money. We're going to elevate ourselves. We're going to change our thinking. We're not going to be trying to do like, let me explain my original setup. And there's a video that I'm going to do in a few weeks or few months to talk about this. I had an Apple Mac Pro, the cheese grater desktop, and a 32-inch monitor. That was my primary YouTube editing machine. I had 2 cameras, 7 lenses. I had lav mics. I had DJI. Essentially, I had my primary system and I had a backup system. Why? Because YouTube made me so much money that I didn't ever want to be in a position where I couldn't make videos. So this is one of the trainings that we're going to do. And this Sunday, we have another live training, 3:30. Sunday is going to be the 18th. And we're going to talk about training you guys up because there's so much bad information on YouTube, about creating YouTube. Like, you watch this little creator, like, yeah, you can do, it's just film the YouTube videos on your phone. No. I did not make millions of dollars on YouTube using YouTube filming videos on my damn phone. All right, so we're going to position it. I'm going to give you a cheaper version because I know some people's money may be funny. And I'm going to give you a middle version and I'm going to give you a high-end version. Because right now, I'll just admit, I don't have my equipment like I used to have it. And like I said, I'm going to do a video about that. And I'm doing this off my MacBook Air. I'm using the camera on my MacBook Air. And this is passable. But if you go back and look at my videos from 2 or 3 years ago, you can see the difference in quality. It's stunning difference. I mean, you could like, yeah, that's way different than the videos he's doing now. And very soon, we'll get back to that quality. It's just, that video, when I do that video, it's going to blow y'all minds. It's literally going to blow your mind. So once again, if you were a member of the corporate citizen deal, I will make you a special offer. And one of the things that I'm getting ready to do is, what I'm seeing is there's a lot of people who are not just going to buy, they're waiting for some kind of sale or discount. So Friday, the price of everything is going up. The price of the Kingdom program is going up to 10,000. Everything's going up. So if you want to be a member of the Hustlers Kung Fu King program, you need to get in this week. And I'm not just saying that to get your money. I'm saying that so you can get activated. Nothing happens until you start doing stuff. And this whole notion, like Sunday, I sensed that it's like, well, hiring. People don't want to hire. Like, look, you're going to have to get over your damn self if you want to be rich, okay? This whole notion, like, I don't want to do this. This shit ain't easy. It ain't easy. I'm used to it because I've been through it a lot. But this stuff ain't easy. You're going to have to get over yourself. You're going to have to learn how to hire people. You're going to have to learn how to manage people. And the sooner you stop fucking around and waiting for some discount or some lying-ass YouTuber talking about, well, Anton Daniels, he's a fucking liar. I can prove this with my training. I've got people making six figures from my training, right? The reason I don't have more, I had a bunch of folks who were not interested in elevating themselves, elevating their lifestyles, elevating their activity. They weren't interested in it, and this shows. And this is why I killed Disruptive Male. Disruptive Male, economics. They leaped right over the economics. They leaped right over working out. They leaped over, and then they got to dating submissive women and the sex. And they just completely leaped over the economics make everything work. Everything, the economics. The economics are everything, man. So stop fucking waiting for some deal. Because here's the thing. You get in the King program and you get in the training, you're going to be working 7 days a week. This shit is not going to be easy, and I'm not making it easy. You want to know why? I'm from the Nick Saban School of Discipline. You do the work, you do the discipline, you play your position as best you can, you win multiple fucking national championships. You ever watch Nick Saban at a game and watch how the former players come up and hug him. There's like, Nick, you made me this NFL player. There's a video on YouTube, Jalen Hurts, all these folks who are thanking him, he put Jalen Hurts, I can see him. He's the skinny wide receiver. Dante Hightower. Dante Hightower is a linebacker. But Jackson, Mac Jones, Tua, Eddie Lawrence, Jamar Gibbs. Person after person after person. And they did not get in the NFL, and they don't have these positions by looking for easy shortcuts. They did the fucking hard work, and they're in the NFL making millions of dollars because they went through Nick Saban's school of doctrine. And it's going to be hard. It's not going to be easy. And if you're looking for someone like a lying-ass sack of shit like Anton Daniels, like, oh, you can do all this stuff, you make all this money, it's bullshit. He makes his money by entertaining your stupid ass. He does not make his money by doing hard work. And let me go ahead and say this. In 6 months, I'm going to have a business that doesn't exist that's going to be making more money in 1 month than fucking Anton Daniels' stupid ass makes in a fucking year. And I'm going to prove it, and I'm going to show it to you. So if you want to be part of that train, you want to be someone who in the next 2 years can pay cash for a fucking house. If you want to be someone in the next few years to send your kids to college, if you want to be the man to be the protector, the provider, or you want to be the woman that can arrange her own architect, get in the fucking course and stop fucking waiting. That shit just pisses me the fuck off. I don't know what the fuck y'all are waiting on. There should be way more people in the course, but y'all just waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and wait. Like, it ain't going to get any easier. And Friday, the prices go way up. I'm not going to wait until the end of January. Friday, this Friday, the Kingdom program goes to $10,000. The payment plan is going to go up to about $1,500 a month. So if you want to be in, if you want the training, you want the education, if you want to be a fucking millionaire in the next 2 years, you're going to get off your sorry ass and get in the fucking course. And people are like, is there a money back guarantee? Yeah, there's a money back guarantee. Could you provide proof? I'm fucking proof. I showed you motherfuckers $1 million house, buying a brand new Porsche. I have shown you proof that my methods fucking work. And you still sitting around looking, waiting for some more proof? I'm going to tell you, you miss out, you're going to hate it. I'm just telling you. So go ahead, get in the course today and start learning this stuff now and stop fucking waiting. Let me go ahead and put something else in your mind. And this is something y'all going to listen to. Do you want to put yourself in the position in the next year or so where you can date the woman that you want to date? Not the woman you can get, but the woman you really, really want to date. The woman that you really are excited to be around. The woman that you thoroughly enjoy having sex with. You want that shit? Get the fuck in the course. Mic drop. This pen is the mic.